All right, everyone. I know it's been a while, but welcome back to an actual video or installation, whatever. Today, I will be installing the Acuity 4-way adjustable short shifter for my RSX. Got the trim tools here. I would have done an unboxing, but I kind of did it on my Instagram anyway. But here it is. Here, give me a second. All right, so here is the shifter. So got where the fucking the shift knob goes. So obviously that's the spot right there. And then came with all the hardware, all that. So I'm pretty excited to install this. I don't think this is gonna be like a tutorial type thing. I think I'm just gonna, film the process, I guess. So the first thing you gotta do is take off the shift knob. Okay, it's the next morning. Yesterday, at the time of recording this video, I decided I'm just gonna do it. Oh shit, I forgot my key. I just decided that I'm just gonna do it the next day when I have light, instead of doing it in the middle of the night before it's dark. So yeah. So I got this trim panel off, disconnected the cigarette lighter, and so now I believe we take off these two screws, and then there's gonna be and then we can pop this panel off, I believe. Yeah, pop the panels off, and then there's gonna be a screw here and a screw here. Okay, so I'm an idiot and I didn't realize that I had to lift off the little trim piece where the shift boot is, and there were two screws right here that were holding on these side panels. So now I gotta hope to find some on eBay because I kind of broke them. Obviously not on purpose, but whatever. Okay, so then I ended up got that screw out that was here. So now we just lift up this entire thing and it'll come out. So one thing, this already has a short shifter. See, it's got a Buddy Club short shifter. Shit, you can't even see it. You can't even see that. What the hell? There we whatever. It's a Buddy Club short shifter. There. Whatever. So yeah, this is a little comparison of how the throws are. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, reverse. So, and with the Acuity, we are able to, what the hell? With the Acuity short shifter, we are able to adjust the gate, which is this, and how short we want the throws to be for each gear. So, yeah. Why is this fighting me? Oh, wow. Other videos do not Dude, I have a cigarette lighter back here. What the fuck? I have a cigarette lighter in the back. What the fuck? I didn't even know that. That's crazy. Okay, well, I gotta disconnect this first. What the fuck? Obviously, I've never sat in the back seat of my car because, I'm driving it. But I had no idea I had a cigarette lighter in the back of this whole thing here. That's crazy. Okay. I'm just gonna put it over here. Okay, so I did quite a bit off camera. So for the gate here, so you have to straighten the little pin out, and then you push it out of you just push it out of the slot, and then this comes right out. So I think I still got to do the same. Yeah, I got to do the same thing for the other side still. Right here. So you're just gonna bend these back, and then the pin just comes right out. But I have to make a quick stop because I do not have a 10mm on me. I don't think. Yeah, I don't have a 10mm on me. So I gotta get these four out. obviously, for the base of the shifter. So what I'm gonna have to do is go to my shop, or the place I work at, and I gotta get my 10 mil because all the tools here are missing. So I will be right back. Don't I don't copy what I'm doing because I fucked up and I broke some stuff. So yeah, always be prepared and don't be an idiot like me. So see, I cut myself, but okay, be right back. Okay, it's either gonna be a 10 or a 12. So yeah, be right back. So this is my toolbox, you know, because I'm a lube tech. Okay, so back here in the car. So these are 10 mil, or not 10s, these are 12 millimeter bolts that I have to get off for the base plate. And then again, as I mentioned earlier, we need to straighten this pin out, and then it'll just slide right out. So now we just, oh fuck, pretty sure I need those. Pretty sure I need those. Hold on. Okay, saved the washer. I'm pretty sure that's important. But also I'm pretty sure that, oh, I didn't even need it. Look, it has it right there. Okay, whatever. Well, I freaked out over nothing as usual. So yeah, you just slide the pin out for this, and then again, just do the same thing here. You just twist. I did it earlier. Hold on. Oh, fuck. Oh, my leg is starting to cramp. Oh my gosh, the thing is such a bitch. Okay, so this is the little clip I was struggling with. Motherfucker. I hope it's not bent or broken or anything. Obviously not. And then this was also really annoying to take off. So now, all we have to do is get these 12 mils off. So be right back. So now, the moment you've all been waiting for. God, hopefully there's no more hiccups or anything. Woo! Nice. So this is the Buddy Club short shifter. It's not bad. You know, it's time for an upgrade. And to be honest, throws weren't not that short. So the Acuity one is gonna be a lot better. Probably just gonna sell that locally. Yeah, so now, whoo, first, yeah, obviously I didn't open it until now. Okay, so, nice, here's where the shift knob is going to sit. Then I got the base plate hardware, sweet. This is really, really well done. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Yes. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be fucking sick. Oh my gosh. I am excited. Oh my gosh. This looks beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh, sorry. Just need to align the holes. Holes. Okay, so unfortunately I do not have a shit. Can you move? So unfortunately I do not have a torque wrench. But it should be fine. It should be fine. Shit. Okay, I'm gonna align all this. Okay, I'll be right back. Put one in this corner, in the top left corner, and then the bottom right corner, and then yeah, I'm just gonna do like a zigzag, so that everything gets tightened evenly. So with the 4-way as well, you can, I'm pretty sure that you can adjust the height of the shifter. Yeah, so this where this hex is, you can adjust how like obviously the height and how it's gonna sit. So yeah, pretty sure. Oh, right here. So helicopter. Okay, so my dumbass. Okay, so yeah, you're supposed to use that little hex right there to tighten where the shift knob is gonna sit. So now we just wrong size. Oh, we just tighten these, I believe. Yep. Okay, be right back. Okay, so got all the base bushings. Oh, oh, this is gonna look sick. But I definitely should have gotten a shift knob from Acuity as well. Oh, nice. Okay, so that's good enough. Okay, so got all the hardware in. So it goes, I think it goes. So when you put the shift linkages on, you do this first, and then the washer, and then the pin. That's for the other side as well. So now, just hammer this clip back in. I didn't even adjust anything. This is all, oh my gosh. This is all straight out of the box. Oh my God. My gosh. This is fucking insane. All right, so I just got everything all buttoned in, everything all tightened and shit. I gotta order new trim panels, but whatever. Should I run? Okay, if anybody actually watches this and like watches through the whole thing, should I run no shift boot so you can see? So, oh my, it's so nice. I think I might just do no shift boot or whatever. Oh my gosh, dude, I'm so in love. Anyway, should I have a shift boot so I can hide it, or should I just run no shift boot so you can see it? But yeah, comment down below if you actually watch this, and then yeah, probably go for a drive. Ooh, so also done to the transmission. I have hybrid racing detent springs, and oh my gosh, I think that comboed with this, it feels like a different car. Because with the detent springs, that was also a night and day difference. The short shifter is also obviously a night and day difference. Oh my gosh! You see how short the throws are? Alright, probably do another little pull here. Oh my gosh! Oh my god. Okay, so just got back, obviously, from the little drive shit. Yeah, I highly recommend Acuity. Oh my gosh, they're like one of the best in the game right now for like Honda parts, so I highly recommend them. It feels like a different car. Like, this doesn't even feel like my car anymore. It made such a huge difference. But okay, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and whatever, all that good stuff. And thanks for watching.